Finish it?
You might have to put the basketball down, honey.
Present down. You can open it. Let's see. Can you open it the rest of the way? Oh, that's a big box. Hey, what's inside? Let's see. Wait a second. Wait a second. What's going on here? Whoa. What's that? What does the girl have? She has a bat and that's a baseball, yeah. And look at the kid. What's he doing? Is he hitting a baseball? Yeah, swinging a bat.
Okay, Grant, will you say thank you, Uncle Grant?
Can you tell Mom thank you, Uncle Grant?
A baseball there, yeah.
Did you say thank you for the present? Are you up for saying a little? Hey Grant, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Who gave it to you?
A basketball.
It's from Uncle Grant and Aunt Crystal and Elena and Katie. It's a present from them.
Can you say love you?
Oh, baby.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense.